Welcome to the IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit video on-demand training. Today you will learn how AI at the edge is transforming the current market landscape, about the benefits and solution components of the IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit, specific sales guidance including use cases, targeted audience, tactical sales strategies, and how to order, and where to find more resources. First, let's take a look at how AI at the edge is changing business. With the booming expansion of the Internet of Things and the increasing availability of data through connected devices and real-time intelligence, advanced video analytics at the edge is becoming increasingly valuable. Enterprises have recognized the need to store, process, and analyze as much data as possible to thrive in the digital economy. Edge data processing is critical to delivering the ultra-low latency required for real-time applications, while minimizing the movement of unnecessary amounts of data to the cloud or remote on-premises data centers for processing. This is driving massive expansion in the edge analytics market. Valued at $3.54 billion in 2019, it is expected to reach $17.13 billion by 2023, at a compound annual growth rate of 30% over the forecast period of 2020 to 2025. The explosion of edge analytics is unlocking true performance across verticals. Edge analytics help companies get more advanced data faster by employing advanced analytics and machine learning at the point of data collection. Many verticals are leveraging these fast speeds and intelligence capabilities to transform the way we live and work. Transportation hubs are using edge analytics to improve passenger flow, while municipalities are proactively keeping streets safer. And retail businesses depend on it for proactive, strategic planning to enhance the shopping experience for their customers. The IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit is designed to boost your AI on the edge. This kit enables you to harness powerful edge compute with low-power Intel 9th Gen processors with up to 8 cores. Expand easily with multiple options to add on additional boards and services. And speed development with compatible Intel AI software development toolkits. These benefits enable customers to unlock the business value of their data through edge analytics and AI. Now let's take a look at how the IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit works. The IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit is powered by an impressive set of Intel hardware running innovative Intel software. The IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit features either the Intel Xeon E2278GEL, Intel Core i7-9700TE, or Intel Core i5-9500TE processors. Each of the processor options feature vPro capabilities. These processors feature high-performance computing with low power consumption to bring a powerful performance perfect for AI workloads at the edge. The 9th generation Intel Core processors also support up to 128 gigabytes of memory and 4K video output. The IEI Flex BX 200 Developer Kit also comes with pre-installed software to accelerate the development process. The Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit enables convolutional neural network-based deep learning inference on the edge, supports heterogeneous execution across various accelerators, including CPU, GPU, Intel Movidius Neural Compute Stick, and Intel Vision Accelerator design products using a common API, and speeds up time to market via a library of functions and pre-optimized kernels. The kit also features the Intel Media SDK to help accelerate rich media performance by speeding up video playback, encoding, processing, and media formatting conversion. Prototype, optimize, and productize media pipelines with a comprehensive, convenient API. And debug and customize products quickly. Customers can also expand with optional boards for additional features. By adding an IEI Mustang AI accelerator card, powered by up to 8 Intel Movidius Myriad X VPUs, customers can offload AI workloads from the Intel Core CPU and integrated GPU to speed their AI development. Additionally, adding the GPOE 4P card with Intel i211 AT controller enables power over Ethernet, supporting up to 90 watts under full load. Now that you've seen the IEI Flex BX200 Developer Kit's impressive components, let's dive into the target use cases and audience for this kit. The IEI Flex BX200 Developer Kit is for system integrators, independent software vendors, and IoT developers who create solutions including computer vision, media encoding and decoding, signal and data processing, and high-performance deep learning. This kit accelerates computer vision and deep learning inference from edge to cloud easily across multiple verticals and use cases, including robotics, automation, retail, AI, and IoT. It supports ROS2, TSN, and AI inference, and is ready to connect more than 400 sensors. When approaching the target audiences for this kit, it's important to know the right messages to highlight. SI's and ISV's main objectives are to sell high-impact solutions, establish themselves as leaders in AI technology, and create new sales opportunities. To successfully engage this audience, it's crucial to highlight how this kit is at the forefront of current market trends, such as AI at the edge. Detail how this kit enables differentiation of services to help them stand out, and emphasize the expandable nature of the kit. Developers' main objectives are to build innovative and scalable solutions, reduce system complexity, and improve interoperability of systems. To successfully engage this audience, it's crucial to highlight how easy it is to customize this kit to ensure it fits their needs, detail the resources available to accelerate development, and emphasize the kit's high compatibility with support across various Intel accelerators and wide range of code languages. Selling the IEI Flex BX200 Developer Kit also has benefits for you. With this kit, you'll be plugging into hot market trends with an AI solution and helping accelerate IoT adoption. Also, you can use this kit to build X-as-a-service business models to start small and grow big, and sell additional high-value services around optimizing operations and customer experience. To order the IEI Flex BX200 Developer Kit, go to the ordering page on the IEI World website. To learn more about the IEI Flex BX200 Developer Kit, please visit the IEI World website. To learn more about developing solutions on the IEI Flex BX200 Developer Kit, please visit its dedicated Intel Developer Zone webpage. To learn more about vision solutions from Intel, please visit the Intel Vision and AI at the Edge webpage on the Intel website. To join the community forum and access user questions and additional resources, visit the IEI Member Zone website. Thank you for your time.